Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing some design team projects that I created for Bona using her flare buttons. And these were so fun. So not in the last design team package, but the one before that, she included some really cute coffee themed buttons. And I've been wanting to make some little projects with these. So this one here says coffee, craft, sleep, repeat. And my favorite, this one says mama needs coffee. That's me every day. So I had so much fun making these little projects, and I was inspired by her little note in her most recent package that she sent. She included this note here, and I thought it was so cute. She did share this, I think, on Instagram along with the die that she used, and it's on my wish list. But once I received this, I thought, I think I can make it. I just took some quick measurements and I made some. So just really cute. I love her perfect writing peeking through there, and they're just so pretty. So I was able to make a couple, and I thought it would be a nice way to gift a coffee gift card, or maybe even one to like Barnes and Noble, because this paper that I used, it's an older paper from Prima, and it's like a coffee and books reading theme. So I thought it was perfect for a little gift card. And how cute are these? So it even has the little insert to add a little note or attach the gift card. And they came together pretty quick. So of course, if you have the die, or if you can purchase the die, it would be a lot quicker and easier. But I thought they turned out super cute. And then I made some matching little bag toppers using the buttons. So cute. This is another die that I just had in my stash with a little coffee mug, and I added some little beads up here and the little tag that comes with the set, and I just tied it off with some twine. This one here says coffee, coffee, and more coffee. And I just put a little cookie. I thought it would be cute if I gave a gift card and like a little treat, but I would probably not use glassine because it's already bleeding through. But I just put it together really quick for the video. And then here's another little set that I made. Just different papers, and for this one I added some crinkled seam binding up at the top. So pretty. I love the colors in this paper collection. And here's the other one, little beads. And I did make these double-sided in case they flipped over as a little charm. So pretty much the same thing. This button here says no talkie before coffee. And then the last set that I created, this one here, super cute. I love this paper with like a little corkboard design. So there's that one, and the matching little bag topper. So there's that. And this one I offset the button and the heart. I didn't want to cover up this cute little print here. It has a little typewriter, glasses, the coffee cup, and books there. So I just thought that was so pretty and didn't want to cover it up. So if you're interested in a quick little tutorial, I'll go ahead and share how I made these and the measurements and everything I came up with. So you'll need some scissors, a scoreboard, some double-sided paper, and I just used a 6x6 paper pad. So this is perfect for your smaller paper pads. So this is the paper from Prima that I used. Super cute. And when I say I've had it for a while, it says 2014 there. So I was really happy to cut into it and use it. And this is the die set for the bag topper. I'm not sure if I have the information on it. I'll look for it, but I did purchase it from Aldi a while back, and it comes with all these cute little pieces. That's the one I used to make a little charm out of the little tag that goes on the tea bag. So there's that, and I showed the buttons. You'll need some scissors and glue of your choice. So for the base paper, double-sided pattern paper, and this one measures 4 1/4 by 6. And then for the little insert to attach your gift card or add a note, this one measures 3 1/2 by 3 inches, by just under 3 inches. So that's those. And like I said, really quick, really easy. And you'll also need a 2-inch circle die or circle punch. And since you're making it yourself, you can actually use like a heart shape or star shape, any shape you want for the little cutout. It doesn't have to be a circle. So you do have to decide which side you want to show through, and if there's a pattern like right side up. So I think I'll have this on the inside and this coming on the outside, but it won't work because this will be upside down. So I have to do it this way. So, sorry guys. So it will go, the letters are, okay, they're upside down and not. So, so if you want, this is right side up, so we'll start there, and you're going to score at 2 5/8. 2 5/8, so that's 4 5/8 right there. And then you are going to turn it and score at 1/4 inches on either side. So I just go ahead and score on the 4-inch line, and then flip it and score on the 4-inch line again. So that's all the scoring you'll have to do. You can set that aside. So it's hard to see the score marks, but they are there. So there's this here, and then on either side. We are going to cut off the longer section that we scored on the edge, and I do cut the smaller section at a little bit of an angle on that tab, and then just cut this part off. So and you can also use your paper trimmer to make it really straight. Sorry guys, it's trash day today, so I'm not sure if you can hear that noise from the street. And of course, you'd probably be a little bit more careful as you're cutting through this. So there's that. We cut off those tabs there. And for the top part here, I just kind of measured to cut the tabs properly. I just measured in about 3/4 of an inch and made a little line there, and then again on the other side 3/4 of an inch. So, and then what I do is once I fold it and put it all together, and it's like this, I have the little mark there, and I just go from this corner all the way to that one to cut the little like ticket shape, and that's here as well. So there's that. And then you just take and make a hole. You take your hole puncher and make a hole in the center. And I have my crocodile here, and I just eyeball it here. And add a little hole there. And then you can add your little hole reinforcer there at the top. So that's basically it. And then I just took a 2-inch circle die, which I'm not going to do on the tutorial, but I just took a 2-inch circle die and then cut out the opening here. So you just kind of center it and cut out the opening in whatever shape you want to create that, and then just glue this all down. So that's all there is to this. And for the little insert, it measures 3 1/2 by 3. And same thing, it has a ticket shape and a notch cut out. I just snipped off the corners to give it the ticket shape, and I used a 1-inch circle punch to cut out the little notch in the center. And I do have somewhere the like notch die cutting tool, but I couldn't find it. So I thought if you don't have it, you can just attach the gift card or note with the little glue dot. That would work too, or double-sided tape. So that's it for this little insert. Really easy. So I hope you like the little tutorial if you want to create your own and you don't have the die. These are so cute. I love just the look of the buttons and these little bag toppers. So cute and fun. So I hope you liked my little project share. I'll link all of Bona's information in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.